This TikTok video right here made me over $42,000 in just a few days. I'm going to show you exactly how. Now, the way I made over $42,000 with that one TikTok video was I had two major elements. Now, element number one is I had a viral-ish video. Now, I'm going to explain what I mean by that in just a second. But what I mean by viral-ish video is I made a video that went viral in a specific niche, right? I'm talking to a specific audience. So I'll explain exactly what I mean by that. But element number two is you need a way to monetize that video. Who cares if you have a viral video if you're not making money? I see so many TikTok creators online that have millions of views, but I promise you they're not making that much money. Because if you don't have a way to monetize your TikTok videos, there's no way you're gonna make some real income. And at the end of the day, I don't teach you just to go viral. I teach you how to go viral, but then monetize that audience to make as much money as possible. Super excited to get into this video. Let's get it. Now, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve time and financial freedom. And the most important part is so I can help you quit those 9-to-5 jobs, because I used to work a 9-to-5 job. I actually started my online business in May of 2019. And within 9 months of starting that business, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and go all in with my online business. So if you want to learn more, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video. So I just want to show you proof of this one TikTok video that made me over $42,000. Now I'm going to break this down in just a little bit, but I first want to just show you the proof and then I'm going to get into the actual video. As you can see here, this video was made April 28th, as you can see down here. Now, if I head over to my merchant account, as you can see, April 28th to April 30th, because it took about a few days to follow up with everyone, we did about $42,000. Now, if I go back to that TikTok, you'll notice we have over 1,200 comments here. So it took a few days to kind of follow up with these people. So you can see here, in about 2 days, it made us about $42,000. And I'm going to break that down in just a bit. So as I mentioned, there are two major elements to actually make money with this method. One is you have to have a viral-ish video, and two, you have to have a way to monetize. Now, I want to start with the monetization first. This is actually the most important part because this is how we make money. Now let's talk about monetization. What does that actually mean? Well, here's an example of someone that talks to a very specific person. Now, what she does is she helps people that are pre-diabetic or that has diabetes, and then she helps them heal naturally, or at least that's what I've seen in her content. So as you see in her content, she's making a bunch of videos pertaining to diabetes and how to heal naturally. Now, what she's doing, the way she's making money is she's driving people to these links here, okay? Now, I'm going to explain what this means in just a second, okay? Now, there's two ways that you can actually monetize this. The first way is to have your own digital product, okay? So let's just say she had her own course on how to cure diabetes naturally. She can go ahead and sell that, right? That's option number one. Or number two is you can have an affiliate product or affiliate tools that she can then promote, right? Maybe she's promoting a diabetic tool or some sort of course that she doesn't own, right? So basically you can have your own digital product that you go and create, or you can promote someone else's digital product that they already created. And that's called affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to break this down even further, okay? I'm actually going to click on this link right here and kind of walk you through how this works, okay? Now, what she's doing specifically, right? She's creating this content on pre-diabetic, on diabetes, how to cure it naturally. And if I go to that link, you can see these are the tools that help me transform my life, okay? Now, what is she doing here, okay? If I scroll through here, she's giving you all the tools that she promotes, okay? So this tool right here, okay? Order this in the USA. Now, this product right here, I'll go ahead and click on it. She didn't create this product, okay? She's actually going out and promoting other people's products and getting a commission for it, okay? This is called affiliate marketing. So whether you're promoting someone else's product or you have your own product, you need a way to monetize it. Now, what I usually recommend for my students is finding products that have a higher ticket. For example, finding digital courses that can make you $500, $1,000, even $2,000 in commissions, rather than promoting a product that can only make you $10, $20, $30. Now, to make even more money with this method is you want to be driving traffic from TikTok, and instead of sending someone to an affiliate product, which most people do, what I would recommend doing is building your email list. Okay, this is a lot more powerful, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, because now you could go ahead and collect an email before you send someone to somebody else's product. Okay, now why do we want to do this? Because now we're going to collect this email database, right, where we can then use it to promote multiple products. Now, this is something I call the affiliate stacking ecosystem, because now I have this database, and now I could promote, product number 1, product number 2, product number 3, and make even more money with my email list. So here's an example of the affiliate stacking ecosystem. It's the same process which I showed you on the last screen, but the only difference is now we're using this email list to promote multiple products. So if I take that example of Manifestation Mama, where she helps people that are pre-diabetic, she can now promote, let's just say, a pre-diabetic course, pre-diabetic tools, pre-diabetic maybe app, all these things that pertain to that niche, but now she can build her email list and make way more money. Now, the next question I get is, well, how would I build an email list if I'm promoting someone else's product? So the way you do that is by having a lead magnet, meaning this is something that you can give away for free in exchange for an email address. So for example, if we're taking Manifestation Mama, maybe she has a cheat sheet, a free book that gives people insight on how to cure diabetes naturally. That's just an example, of course, but let's just say she has that as a free lead magnet, okay? They exchange that for an email, and then after they do that, then she could send them to the affiliate product. This is how you build a strong email list. Plus, you build that strong relationship with someone that's getting that free thing that you're giving them. Now, if you want more information on how I build my email list, and if you want to copy and paste my exact same pages and my exact lead magnet, I want to invite you to my challenge down below in the first link, and that'll give you everything you need to get started on building your email list from scratch. Okay, so now that you have a way to monetize your audience, maybe you have your own digital product, maybe you're promoting someone else's high ticket product, now we need a viral-ish video. Now I'm going to explain what that means, okay? Because you don't need a viral video with millions and millions of views. All we're focused on is getting a video to very specific people that speak to a certain pain. I'm going to explain what that means. Now here's the exact video that made me over $42,000 in just a few days, okay? Now I want to show you a few things here, okay? First of all, it only had 14,000 views, okay? Which is not very much compared to millions of views, right? Now what I want you to see here is this actually had over 1,200 comments because I was talking to a very specific person. Now I'm going to walk you through this whole video right now, and I'm going to help you kind of craft your own message and your own type of video so you can speak to a specific audience and get a lot of people to comment so you can actually monetize this video for yourself. Okay, so there are 3 main elements to getting a video where people are gonna stop, watch the video, and actually take action, all right? And that first 2 seconds of the video, it has to be talking to your specific niche or your specific audience. So for me, I actually help dads or 9-to-5ers that are dads quit their 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom. At least that's who I was speaking to in this exact video, okay? So I literally call them out in the hook, okay? So I say here, are you a dad working more than 12 hours per day and you have no time with your family, okay? So it's a hook, but I'm also talking to my specific audience, okay? They have a certain pain, and I'm speaking to that pain with this hook in the beginning. I'm literally calling them out right away. Now let's walk through this whole video, and then I'm gonna break it down even further. Your dad working, you don't have extra job, have time, that person helps out, get on the path of our job. Comment dads down below, I will personally try to help out. Oh. Okay, so breaking down that video, you notice in the beginning, I talked to that very specific audience, right? I'm talking to dads who have a family but have no time because they're working this 9-to-5 job. I'm hitting a very specific pain. Now this will work for any audience and any niche. Doesn't matter what you're selling, but you have to be able to figure out the pain point of your audience. So another example, right? Maybe you're helping people lose weight. Maybe you're helping brand new moms who just had a baby and they can't lose weight, right? Maybe your hook would be something like, hey, are you a brand new mom who can't lose weight and you just had a baby? And maybe you don't have enough time to work out at the gym all the time? Listen to this. So that's a hook, right? We're talking to a very specific audience who's gonna take action, right? Because that specific audience has a pain point and you're gonna help them with that pain point. Now, the next element to this, right, after the hook where we're calling out our main audience, we have to have some sort of value / story, okay? Now, what I mean by that is you're either gotta give them some sort of value or you gotta tell them a story that's gonna resonate with that pain, right? So in my example, I first called out dads who don't have enough time, but then I started talking about the actual pain or the story that they go through because they don't have enough time to be with their family. And then the last part is I have a very specific call to action. Now in this specific call to action, I actually tell them to say dads down below instead of saying, hey, go click on the bio, because I want more engagement. So this is kind of a key to getting more people to be engaged in your video. Now you'll notice here, this is only a 24-second video, and this 24-second video made me over $42,000. It's insane. But that's because I had a very specific call to action where I had them comment down below, okay? Now you can say, hey, go click the link in the bio. That's one way to do it, but I wanted to actually reach out to them, be more personal. So I said, hey, comment dads down below. And what that does is when people go into TikTok and they go and comment, the video is still playing. So that's kind of an algorithm play there. I'm getting them to comment, and then as they comment, the video is still playing in the background. And now that people are commenting, they're watching the whole thing, they're maybe liking the video, that's when TikTok's like, okay, this video actually resonates with a certain group. Now they're gonna push it out to even more people. Now what's crazy about this specific video is it didn't have a ton of views, right? Compared to millions of views that other people may have on their videos. Now the biggest thing that I had was I had a way to monetize these people, right? The solution I had for them was a high ticket program that was going to teach them how to get the result that they wanted. And the thing that you need to understand is the more that people are in pain, the more they're willing to pay to get out of that pain, right? In my specific example, I help people leave their 9-to-5 jobs. They're in pain at that job, so they're gonna pay more to learn how to get out of that. At least that's the same thing that happened to me. I was at my 9-to-5 job. I hated being at that job, and I was willing to pay mentors and courses to get me out of that job. For example, I paid over $40,000 to learn from mentors, from courses, my first year in business, just to get me out of that pain. So understanding that when you're creating content on TikTok is gonna make you a ton of money. Okay, so here's a bonus element that I didn't mention earlier in the video, but I want you to understand this contributed to the $42,000 with this specific video. Now, again, here's the video that we talked about earlier in the video, okay? Speaking specifically to working dads, as you can see here. Now, what I've done, okay, in the video, I actually went ahead and I replied to all these people, right? Either, hey, here's my Instagram, you could message me there, or go to the link in the bio. So, you know, I had 1,200 comments. It just depended where I was at. Now, a bonus method, right, that's gonna save you a ton of time was I actually did video replies. This is actually a secret hack that has been crushing it for me since I started TikTok, okay? So as you can see here, all of these random comment replies came after this video, okay? And you could see I did a ton, okay? For example, this one says, Dad, hoping it doesn't take too much time to get there, right? So what I did is I specifically spoke to that person with the video reply. Now the cool thing is all the people will go ahead and see these video replies, right? 600 views here, 600 views here, or a lot of people that commented I was doing these replies for. As you can see, dads, you know, dads, dad, right? All these people are seeing these replies. So in the video replies, I'm saying, hey, you know, thanks for commenting. And this is how you can reach, you know, the link in the bio. And this is how you can reach my Instagram where you can message me. All these people are seeing it. So you're getting more and more traction, okay? This is a bonus method that I highly recommend. And that's why I have people comment in my videos, because I'm gonna go ahead and reply to that comment, right? Saying, hey, thank you so much for replying. And this is how you get the link. This is how you get access to, you know, XYZ product. But the reasoning behind that is because more people that watch the original video are gonna see all these replies, right? So now people know that they can trust me, they're gonna like me, and I'm talking to that specific person. So they're obviously gonna go and take action as well. Now I have one last bonus tip for you guys. Use that exact same video that you created on TikTok and go ahead and repost that on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and even YouTube Shorts. And I've even started posting them on Pinterest short videos as well. And you're gonna start getting more and more traction from these other platforms. Now, if you go and create a video and you don't see a lot of traction, maybe you don't see engagement, that's okay. Part of that is how you deliver, right? The confidence in how you speak to people on camera. And if you're not good at first, that's okay, because you're gonna get better and better as you create more content. And you may have a strong hook, you may have a strong story, and you may have a strong call to action, but maybe your delivery is not just there yet. But again, that's okay, because you're doing this to get better and better every single day. And I want you to measure how many leads you're getting, how many sales you're getting per video, right? I want you to get better and better as you start creating free content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, etc. But I promise you, if you stick with this, you're gonna get better. You're gonna build your email list. You're gonna build your brand and following. It's just gonna go up from there. So I hope this video was of value, and hope you realize this is not very complicated. It's actually very simple. You just have to take massive action and stay consistent every single day. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you found any value in this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.